Facial fillers can be useful for many things, and the important thing with this is to understand that different fillers have particular strengths and weaknesses. For instance, we would use something with more substance to it, like Voluma, to augment the midface, yet we would want to use a filler that's a little bit more subtle and diffuse for something like the nasolabial folds. The area around the lip is an area that I get asked about frequently, as many people will develop little vertical lines on the upper and lower white lip. This is an area where filler really doesn't help to a great extent. This is mostly a skin resurfacing problem. And this can be addressed through a variety of methods, ranging from radiofrequency energy introduced through microneedle techniques to laser skin resurfacing.